So this is the Ronstan ClearStart RF4050 sailing watch. So yeah, my old one broke. Let's unbox this one. So let's crack this boat. Did I just say boat? Box open. Right, let's read what's on the back first. So it does multiple race start sequences, synchronization it's got a synchronization feature, multi-line display, allowed lead up and start sound signal, countdown repeat or countdown and up options, separate fast access race and time mode scrolling, oversized 13mm or half-inch digit display, large easy press buttons, and it's water resistant to 50 meters. Yeah, so let's open it. It says here to activate display, press and hold clear button, then press mode sync and start stop simultaneously. Okay. Right. So here is the watch. There's a user manual. Yeah, so let's take off the seals. So there's this seal. I hope you're seeing this. Seal number 1. And then seal number 2. Okay, so what did this thing say? So press and hold clear button. Then press mode sync and start and stop at the same time. Wait, where's the... So the watch is now turned on. Right, so how do we set the time on this? So I've figured out how to use it. So first we've got to go into racing mode. Now I'm just going to set a 1-minute sequence. There we go. Now we just wait for a whole minute. Right, well there you go. Watch works. Hopefully it works well for the P class nationals, the Tanner and Tauranga Cup. Yeah. So Crunch Sailing viewers, you will see the coverage of the P class Tanner and Tauranga Cup in a few weeks. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.